May napapansin ka bang difference ngayon sa sa 300 Hz na monitor natin?
Yes, mas smooth siya and crisp yung ayun nga, nakikita mo na smooth yung galaw ng character and yung mga kalaban mo. Mas mabilis ka makapag-react. Galing ka sa 300 Hz, mas smooth yung nakikita mo. And sa 60 Hz kasi, yun, mas parang robot.
So, is the hype worth it? Does it do what it's supposed to do? My favorite criteria? The answer is so is a 300 Hz monitor even worth it? Hi guys, it's me Laz again, and today we're just going to be checking out this TCL gaming monitor. Alright, first let's just do a quick background on TCL. They actually started on TV, so that's actually what they're known for. And they're actually one of the top brands here in the Philippines for TVs. And now they've released a monitor, and just last month there was an exclusive TCL event here at Laptop Factory /Circuit Base, and we're the only ones here in the Philippines who actually have and sell their monitors. So we've already unboxed this, so we know that when you buy one of these, you're gonna get the monitor itself, then everything around there to protect the monitor and the screen, the stand, the user's manual, the warranty, an extra display port cable, and the power brick. This is actually one of the cheapest gaming monitors that can reach 300 Hz and is also a QLED, so that's actually one of the pros, I guess. And for the monitor's tilting, it can go up, it can go down, it can go left and right. It has rotation in all those ways too. And of course, it can go from landscape all the way to portrait. As for the ports, it has a DC in, a headphone port, one display port, and 2 HDMI ports. But this doesn't have a built-in speaker, so I guess that's one of the cons that I can put in this. Now, the question is it IPS or is it OLED? Well, like I said earlier, it's actually QLED or quantum dot LED. It's an upgraded version of the regular LED or LCD monitor because it has quantum dot layering, which enhances its color and its brightness. And it has about 600 nits. And finally, for the wall mounting, yes, you can wall mount this, but of course you need a compatible stand or a compatible mount. So as you can see, it's running gameplay for Black Myth Wukong, but what even is the hype for the refresh rate? So the refresh rate in short terms is just the frames per second of your monitor. How much can it handle? So you would get 60, 144, and in this case, 300. So is it even worth the hype? Well, here are the benefits to having this high of a refresh rate. First is the ultra smooth motion. This works especially well for FPS games, where you need quick, precise movements to match with your mouse. So second, you would have a competitive gaming edge over your opponents who would just have, let's say, 144 or 240. It has lower motion blur and, of course, reduced input lag. But a disadvantage that this has is it's actually very demanding on your hardware. So unless your PC or laptop can already handle 300 Hz, then you're not gonna get the same output on your monitor. But it kind of has diminishing returns too, because the jump for 144 to 240 is quite noticeable, even more so than if you would jump from 240 to 300. So unless you have a really precise eye, you're barely gonna notice it. And it's actually quite expensive compared to other monitors. So even though we're selling this for one of the cheapest prices, it's still gonna be more expensive than, let's say, your standard monitors. The best thing about a 300 Hz monitor actually is just how quickly it responds to you. But as an editor myself who uses a high refresh rate monitor, something like this would actually be very useful compared to if I went downwards. So to simplify everything I said, here's a comparison video of what 644, 240 versus the 300 Hz looks like when you're playing high competitive FPS games. But one of the good things about this is actually its size. It's around 25 inches, and most gamers, competitive gamers, prefer 24 to 25 inches because they would hyper focus on that area. But if it was, say, a wider screen like 27 inches, they would have more to hyper focus on. See, it's harder to get tunnel vision and focus completely on your game when it's a much wider area to look at. So for its size and hertz, it's actually pretty good. Well, to properly check out the difference, we're going to be playtesting this actually with one of our resident gamers. So everyone, please give him a warm welcome. Yan, so ito na yung gameplay test natin. So sir, ano usually yung mga gamit mong hertz sa PC mo sa bahay?
Ang ginagamit kong monitor is 180 to 240 Hz. Kasi yun yung may kita mong affordable na monitor ngayon.
And mga ilang inches naman siya?
Yung sa akin is 24 inch.
Yun ba yung mga usual niya talaga?
Usually yun yung makikita mong monitor na ginagamit na mostly competitive.
Part din ba yun kasi ng playstyle nyo? Napansin ko parang in-adjust nyo sa simula yung screen ng PC. Like mas madali ba tutukan?
Mas madali mo siyang makikita yun. Mas madali ka magre-react.
Sa ganong size na
Yes.
So, yung mga 24-inch na monitor.
Teka lang madam, di makapokus eh.
Yun yung standard na usually ginagamit ng mga competitive players kasi.
Yes.
Gets. May napapansin ka bang difference ngayon sa sa 300 Hz na monitor natin?
Yes, mas smooth siya and crisp yung yun nga, nakikita mo na smooth yung galaw ng character and yung mga kalaban mo. Mas mabilis ka makapag-react at the same time.
Precise. Galing dito, bumalik ka sa 60 FPS, mapapansin mo agad yung difference, no?
Yes, kasi yun nga, galing ka sa 300 Hz, mas smooth yung nakikita mo. And sa 60 Hz kasi, yun, mas parang robot.
Parang robot,
Oo.
choppy.
Hindi siya na may kita mo yung difference talaga.
So, ang malaking advantage talaga nito is yung for competitive gamers talaga.
Yes.
Pero yung mga 140 at mga 240, usable naman siya kung casual use lang.
Yes,
Siguro,
kung kunyari maglalaro ka ng mga MOBA, okay na yun. Pero kung FPS or like Counter-Strike, Valorant, kailangan mo talaga ng mga matataas na hertz.
So those are the words and the review of our Battle of Gamers competitor EJ. We just invited him to try out our TCL 300Hz gaming monitor, but I'm gonna summarize all of his thoughts and what we've seen from our various playtests. So, is the hype worth it? Does it do what it's supposed to do? My favorite criteria. The answer is yes, if you're a competitive gamer, because that's the only situation where something like this would be useful. But if you were a casual gamer, or let's say just a general user, then something like this would be overkill and not specialized to what you're going to use it for. But there's actually good news for you because we have other monitors that are available in those ranges. So we just wanted to show you one of our strongest for now, the 300Hz TCL monitor, available here exclusively at Laptop Factory/Circuit Base. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below if this video was helpful or if you have other suggestions for future videos. And this has been Kuya Laz. For my English-speaking audience, have a good evening, and for my Filipino audience, mabuhay tayo!